Slowly, Daniel. You need strength today.
Mom, are you feeling better this morning?
I am okay. Do not worry about me.
My bag is still broken, but I can use it.
I am sorry. I cannot buy a new one yet.
It is okay, Mom. Please do not feel bad.
Take this small lunch for school today.
Thank you, Mom. I will eat it carefully.
Study hard today and believe in yourself.
I will make you proud one day.
Look, the broken bag is back again.
His shoes look tired and almost finished. Just ignore them and keep walking. Hi, Daniel. I am glad you came today. Hi, Noah. It is good to see you. Did you bring lunch today, or just air? Leave him alone, Ethan. That is enough. Why?
Why? He is poor every single day.
Let him go. He already looks scared.
Please open your notebooks and begin writing.
Do you need a pencil, Daniel? Oh. No, thank you. I still have one. That pencil is almost gone already. I can still use it if I write carefully.
Daniel, this answer is excellent work.
Thank you, teacher. I tried my best. Teacher's favorite poor boy gets praised again.
Ethan, be respectful to your classmate.
Fine. I will stop talking now.
Your school fees are still unpaid.
Please give us more time, Mr. Carter.
I can study hard and help the school.
Hard study does not pay the fees.
I will find the money soon, I promise.
Daniel cannot study here anymore.
You are kicking me out of school?
Rules are rules, Daniel.
Please, he loves learning so much.
Take him home now. This meeting is over.
Poor boy got kicked out of school.
Daniel, is it true? Are you leaving?
I cannot come back anymore.
What happened? What happened to Daniel? They said he cannot study here. Mr. Carter, he is one of our best students.
I will remember this day forever. Daniel, do not give up on your dream.
You should sleep, Daniel. It is very late.
I still want to learn, even from old books.
I failed you, my son.
No, Mom. You gave me love and courage. Handmade notebooks for sale. Please take a look.
Did you make these notebooks yourself?
Yes, sir. I made them from old paper.
These notes are very smart and clear.
I study whenever I can, sir.
Why are you not in school today?
Day to me. I was kicked out because we were poor.
Eh? That should never happen to a child.
I only wanted to study and learn.
I will buy all of these notebooks.
All of them? Do you really mean that?
And I want to help you study again.
Why would you help someone like me?
Because talent needs a fair chance.
Keep going, Daniel. Never stop learning.
My boy.
I will build schools for children like me.
The school needs money again.
The new owner is visiting today.
I hope he is not too strict with us.
I can handle any owner who arrives here.
Welcome, Mr. Daniel. We are ready.
I remember this gate very clearly.
You studied here before, Mr. Daniel?
I was kicked out right here.
Welcome, sir. It is an honor.
Wait. Daniel? Is that really you?
The poor boy from years ago?
Yes. The boy you laughed at.
You are the new owner of this school?
Yes. I bought this school.
I was cruel to you back then.
We laughed at you, and we were wrong.
You laughed because I was poor.
We were just following the school rules. Rules without kindness are cruelty.
Mr. Carter, your contract is under review.
No child will be kicked out for being poor. This school will support families in need.
Daniel, I knew you would become great.
You were kind when others were not.
Every child deserves a chance to learn. Daniel, can you forgive us for laughing?
I forgive you, but you must do better.
Power should protect children, not hurt them.
This school belongs to every child with a dream.